Would you rather move heavy objects and appliances this way or this way? If you want to save your back when you're moving appliances or small furniture up to 400 pounds, I'm going to show you this amazing Amazon product that I'm going to unbox, show you the features, show you how to set up. It's going to be super easy. Let's get into it. Here's my Nefish Dolly that just came from Amazon, and this is it has easy instructions, easy to put together. It's well built. As you can see, one of the corners here is the tabs to tighten down the bars, the bubble indicator level to help level your appliance, and here the wheels spin well. They have a locking mechanism so they don't roll, and they spin 360 degrees. I also have a guide for putting in the bars, as you'll see here in a minute. Also have some pads that will go in the corners. There's the bars, and there's 4 of them, and you'll notice on the bar that there's a mark in the center. You want that to be completely centered between the 2 corners, and I'll show you that in a minute. Here are the tabs that tighten down the bar, and you want to make sure that's disengaged when you put the bar in. Put 2 of the corners together, and when you put them together, you see this guide here on both sides that will help you initially put it in and make sure that that line is in the center when you put the 2 sides together. It doesn't have to be perfect for now. We'll adjust that later. Put the other 2 corners together and try to get that line as close to center as you can. Now we'll connect the 2 different corners together so it's all one piece, and you can adjust it with those tabs. And here are those corner cushions for so your appliance rests easily on here and doesn't get damaged. What you want to do is you want to measure to make sure that the width and the depth of the cart is close to the length of your appliance, and here we can fine-tune the center for that mark, put everything back together. Now when you go to put your appliance or whatever object you're going to put on this, you want to make sure to lock down the wheels. In here I'm just double checking the length and the depth with my appliance. This is a portable washer that we use and that we have to roll back and forth between rooms. So set this on there. You might want to get someone to help you if it's a heavier appliance. This can support up to 400 pounds, and you see it rolls all directions. You want to test it out to make sure it doesn't fall off, and then you're good to go. Leave a comment or question to let me know what you think about this product, or if you have a similar product that you use around the house. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more product reviews like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.